So fall is also a great time to plant many herbs, both annual herbs like cilantro that don't like the heat, but also perennial herbs like oregano and rosemary and thyme that you hope to come back in the spring. Now, we love to use these herbs in cooking and to have around our other plants to help with pest prevention, because these are really strong scented and it helps keep pests away from your other vegetables. So if you have a perennial herb that's in a larger smart pot that you can't bring indoors or that's too heavy, Ozzy, what can you do to help that through the winter to help it survive?
A smart pot in the larger sizes should survive pretty well over the winter. One thing you can do is cut your plant back as much as you can. You can mulch up around it. You can mulch around the sides of it. You can just kind of take some measures like that to try to get to try to protect the plant as much as possible throughout the winter time.
We also have a guide on our website that shows how you can build a PVC dome greenhouse to go over smart pots or something like this that's really cheap and easy to build. And we also have guides like this throughout our mobile app. So if you haven't checked out our mobile app, go to seedtospoon.net. You can download our app that'll walk you through how to grow over 70 different vegetables. It'll give you exact planting dates based on where you live. It'll show you companion plants that grow well next to each vegetable. It'll show you the pests that attack each vegetable and what to do about them. And we have a lot of really new and exciting features that we're working on that we're going to be rolling out over the next few months.